Welcome back everybody, Bakuzilla here, and today we will be taking a look at the Studio Series 53 Constructicon Mixmaster. That's the full name. Oh yeah, so I originally wasn't going to collect the Constructicons, but then I decided, you know what, I want to make Devastator. Devastator's cool, and yeah. And then I found Mixmaster. I'm like, you know what? Let's start collecting them. Anyway, let's take a look at the box. First of all, obviously we have Mixmaster here. Generations. Transformers. Mixmaster Studio Series. Revenge of the Fallen. Nice little art here. Love Mixmaster. Studio Series 53. Devastator with the Devastator logo thing. Looks amazing. Here we have some more renders of him on the back. 21 steps. Just some more images. And top. That's the top. The bottom. That's the bottom. Yeah, let's get this guy open. First, you get the scissors. Okay. Okay. After you get the scissors like that, let's pan down. Oh god, there's Devastator's head. Just chilling back there. That looks so bad. But from the front, he's pretty cool. Sounds like he has kind of parts forming there. Anyway, let's cut him out of this plastic prison. Also, tiny scissors are back, like always. How do I do this? Oh god. I think I found out how. Just trying not to get the paint scratched. Is he loose? No. Now is he loose? Okay, this is loose. The front of that, is he loose now? Oh. This is peculiar. So he's either broken, or it's supposed to do that. Okie dokie. Let me get in a position here. I'm guessing you put these on there. Let's find out. Give me instructions. I know. Okay. So let's put the box back there. Here you get a nice little stand of the Egypt scene from Revenge of the Fallen. It's a shadow. A shadow of what? I don't know. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look. See, nothing on that. Anything on the instruction manual? Yes. Tells us that we need to put stuff on. Does that mean we have to take it off each time too? It's gonna be annoying. So which goes where? That's the only problem I'm having. Which goes where? I'm guessing like this, right? I'm so confused on how all this works. What is this? I'm so confused. I don't know what anything is. Let's point the camera down again. Okay. It's pretty cool. I like the hands, the arms. Okay. The head, there we are. Devastator back here. Oh, and his mouth's open. Oh my goodness. Roar. Dude, I actually can't wait for Devastator, for me to build him. Oh my god, look at him. Look at, oh Jesus. Can I get this in more of a light? There we are. That's so much better. Dang. Anyway, what was I doing? His legs doing something wacky. His arm is... Okay, I'm going to have to figure out how this guy works, because I have no clue so far. He's kind of a weird guy. He's super... I really like this design. It's really cool. Okay. I'm having fun, and that's not allowed. How does this work? How does this work? Okay, come on. Give me your head. And can I put this in here? Das in there? Das, yes. Das. How do you work? Okay, so, not like that, like this. Where do you pop it in? Oh, now where I was trying to pop it in. You pop it in somewhere else. On here. Okay. Kind of difficult. Ow. That hurt. Ow. That hurts even more. How are you supposed to do this? There's a will, there's a way, right? I probably shouldn't put it in backwards, because then I won't get it off. Okay, let's try the other one. Let's try the other side. You got the touch. Come on. You got the power. How is a child supposed to do this? I am a man-child, so I guess. I don't know. Man-child, I guess. I don't know. Oh, God. Just go in. Just... Oh, that's one. Okay. Jesus. Whew. Okay, Mixmaster. What are these for? These are just kind of grooving. Jesus, this guy's so wonky. How does this even work? He's so... I really like this design. I don't know how many times I gotta say it. Come on! Ah, there we are. Hopefully I didn't put any stress on anything. He's a really short dude. He's a short dude. Short. Very super short. That's how you make Devastator. Oh, and this does go somewhere. Where? That's not helpful. Okay, dokie. This goes here. I see that there are holes. I just don't know where the holes go, or the pegs. Don't know where the pegs go. You are a confusing little man. Little man. Like, what is that supposed to tell me? First of all, I think Devastator's face is supposed to be more shoved into here. How's that supposed to work? Come on, Devitator. Put your face in the thing. Oh. That's convenient. Now I'm just now it just feels like I'm transforming him. And bada bing, bada boom, just like that, you have a transformer, my guy. What is this? Oh, that's Devastator's thing. Is that how that works? No. That is not. You take this out. And then you squeeze everything in here. Nice, and there we go. Now, how am I supposed... Can I take it off? Yes, I can. So this is just kind of there. He's got a little bit of weight on his back. Anyway. Stop getting your head back there. It's not where it goes. How is this guy supposed to stand? Let's see. So you got that there. Then let's get this out of the way. Then bada shing, bada shroom. Somehow you get this guy to stand. Short boy. Unless his legs extendo. Doesn't seem like they do. They're just... Oh, no. No, he's just short. Right? Yeah, he's just short. He's just vibing. He's just... I can't. I'm gonna sit on you. What? That's your fault. Let's try to get him in here. This is not going to work at all. No. This is not going to work one bit. We did it. Wow. That's so cool. Okay, I'm going to try to make him stand. I'm going to get him to stand like a Decepticon. Come on, bro. You can do it. You can do it. You got the touch. You got the power. He's kind of clanky to mess around with. He's gonna be a toughie to play around with. There we are, just like that. What the heck? That's not how this goes. Okie dokie. GG. Do GG. Mixmaster looks pretty cool. There. Now he's standing. Let's try to get him in a pose. He doesn't have any pivots or anything, so he's just kind of vibing. He's just kind of cruising like that. Oh god. Okay, let's... Oops. Super clanky to pose. Head sculpt looks nice. I think. What is it, cat? Let's try to get this arm. There we are. I don't know, let's use that as, there we are. That's it. That's a cool pose. Get out of the way. Get. Why you lift your leg if you're not gonna do anything? Yeah. Okay, cat. Now you're just gonna make a lot of noise and you're annoying. Mixmaster. He looks super cool. I like him. Anyway, that's about it. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.